Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person you would like to study or work with. Yes.
Okay. If I get a chance to work with I like a person, then I choose my husband, who is a CEO of a private organization in Vox Pakistan, an event organizing company. Uh, I choose him because I admire his work and his dedication to his work, and I think he has been he has been an inspiration for me, and has a motivation for me to choose my career in event management and event organizing.
Okay, this answer is short. You spoke for 44 seconds. So you will have to speak for minimum 1 minute. And in
Okay.
actual exam, allow the examiner to stop you. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. What kind of people do you like to study or work with?
Uh, I would like I would like people who are uh, with I am comfortable with work or study, and who are not bossy attitude, and uh, where I feel
Okay.
comfortable with the
All,
person, then
all
definitely I
right.
work
Do you
with.
think managers can be friends with their subordinates?
Yes, I think they are, because if they are friendly with their employers or with their subordinates, then their subordinates and employers work comfortably, and their performance are also very good.
Okay, so overall, your language is good, but you need practice
Yes.
and familiarity with these topics. And you spoke for 45 seconds for part 2, so
Okay.
you should speak more in actual exam. Looking at all these things, at present, I'll give you 5.5, but with
Okay.
a little improvement, you can make it
So it's
6 or
my
above.
first day,
No
so
problem, you'll
I
be all
am
right,
little
inshallah.
nervous.
You'll
So
be fine.
definitely I will do good.
Sure, sure. All
Yes.
the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.